How to reset KeyBank password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Do you guys want to change the password or reset the password of your KeyBank online banking? If yes, this video is for you. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply search for KeyBank online banking and you can head over to this website that says KeyBank online banking, that is ibx.key.com. Or if you head over to this online and mobile banking, this one right here, tap on the sign in button and tap on sign in again to head over to this website. So now basically these both are the same website, so I'll just cross one out. And now right here you will need to enter out your user ID. Enter whatever your user ID is, and for the password tap on problem signing on. Then tap on forgot my password. After you do that, it will take you to this page where you can start with the reset process. So here they will need to verify that it's you who owns the account. So what you'll need to do here is choose what your account is, enter out your user ID, then finally your social security number, then finally tap on continue and follow along with the process. After this process ends, you will have reset your password. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.